So welcome to another round number 2 of 5 today, where I am trying to improve myself in the art of programming. So my method of madness is doing rounds of 5 minutes of typing and 25 minutes of learning or coding. Today we are doing Angular. Going through tutorial, and we can start it. Where's my mouse? Here. Hey, I back. Yeah, they do. Typing.io. And there are multiple ones, actually, which you can use. Typer is another one. Monkey type is another one. What are you doing today, Ibek? I remember you. You have been here at least once, maybe more. Good, working on some Python programming right now. How about you? Well, it's okay. I had a, you can call it a date, I guess. She is a principal of some kind of like school. Yeah, so I had been given the tour of everything in there. That was kind of cool actually. And now I started to get my daily dose of coding. 9:36. There we go. That's worse. Okay, so we go to Angular and we declare we created a mock, the data to work with, the mock data. So we will import it in the heroes component. Okay. Yeah, but in the TS file, of course. And we will add it. That was Control Shift A. No. Alt Shift A. Yes, here we go. Now, yes. Port and arrows from there. We will be doing something with it in the same file. Heroes component class. Define a component property called heroes to expose the heroes array for binding. Okay. There we go. And we will do something with the ng form. Star ng form. And the h2 at the top. Below it an unordered list. Okay, I can do that. Oh, the H2 we have already. But, well, H2 rows. Now, what? This is weird. Okay. So what am I doing right now? So we have the unordered list. We have the list item sort, and inside of there we will have a span because why not? And we are setting those classes: class heroes, class badge. Oh, what the fuck is that? It's just selector for how it should look like.
Already looks like you have advanced a ton since the last time I was here. Keep up the good work.
What? No way. Thank you so much. Oh wow. Thank you so much. Wow. Well, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for the donation and for the words. Thank you. Wow. Oh wow, that's that's awesome. So advanced, you say? Huh. Oh, thank you. But I'm basically doing different language right now, so. Oh, thank you. Okay, so now I did something, and I don't really know what I did. I chose one hero. And what is this hero's badge? Maybe it is in the CSS. No, that's not it. So why is it in here? Maybe in the styles. One. Maybe in the styles here? No. Okay, I don't know. We have the heroes component. This should show us one of them. One. Okay, it says one because it's. Oh, I'm showing the ID. Yeah, I'm showing the ID. That's the one. Yeah. Okay, and to show it all will be star ng4 heroes, and there's no directive match to. Oh, let hero of heroes. Let's see. Let hero of heroes. It's like iteration. Okay, so now it's good. We should have a list, and we do. The RQ and others. Holy fuck, I got like $15 or so. ng4 is Angular's. That's pretty cool. ng4 is Angular's repeater directive. It repeats the host element for each element in a list. Okay, so this is like what you have in the JavaScript. So you define a variable, and this is where you take it from. Okay, and then you repeat the li, I guess, right? Yeah, looks like it. Syntax in the simplest way. Li is the host element. Heroes host the Mongeros list from the heroes component class, the Mongeros list. Hero hosts the current hero object for each iteration through the list. And this is kind of simpler than Java. Don't forget the asterisk in front of ng4, it's a critical part of the syntax. Style the heroes. Yes, there is a job I'm working towards, and that is a full stack developer with the stack of Java, JavaScript, TypeScript, Angular. Oh, and the framework on the Java side is called Spring. Yeah. So I created the two applications in Java so far, and then I got bored with it. I didn't like to do it, so I switched to Angular, which was yesterday. So this tracking thing, that's like my application, and then I have this stopwatch, which is basically, well, similar to this that I have here. No, thank you. Hopefully I will reach it. Hopefully I will reach it. But there's so much stuff to learn. There's this, you have this, you know, you have a Java, you have a JavaScript, you have a TypeScript, you have a Spring, you have an Angular, then you have a data structures, then you have the algorithm complexity, which I have to learn as well. Then I could be better at SQL, but I think what I know right now is okay-ish for the job. Yeah, and there are a few books which I should read. The Clean Code is one of them. I don't remember the other ones. Yeah, so there's so much things to learn. Hopefully I will be like faster in them, I guess. Most of the time I feel like complete idiot. It's kind of nice that I was able to build these two applications, even though they are like really like simple and stupid. It kind of improves gives me a hope. A little bit. Also today it will be like my 500th round of doing the programming trainings. I see. Style CSS didn't include style for list effort. Yeah, so that's what I was searching for. I couldn't find. I like this CSS approach. In the company where I was working, it was all like one giant file, and it was dumpster fire. Plus, there was a lot of dead code which no one uses, but no one wanted to remove it because they were afraid it might break something. Either inline into add component styles. Okay, so that will be styles array or as a style sheet files intended identified in the add component style URLs array. Okay, so we will have a look in here, and there's a style URLs, which is an array. And it points to the style sheet for this. That was one thing, right? But we can do inline it in the component.styles. What if I do styles? And here will be, what does it take? Oh, okay, I need this. Not that. This. Now, type string is not the type string. Okay, so this needs an array as well. Like this. Okay. And here we will say div order 1 pixel solid blank. Is this how you do it? Why is it missing white space? Okay, so that's no problem. We can do the white space. Identifier expected. Well, I said div. Okay, so this is not how you do it. And I want to know it. If they are telling me, you know, I want to know. And style. I'm hoping off to finish a few things. Always enjoy learning alongside others. Hope you enjoy the rest of your stream. Yeah. Oh, you're leaving? Yeah. Okay. Okay. So, thank you very much, and for the donation. I really do appreciate it. So I guess I see you around. Template, oh, styles, here we go. So without the semicolon, and then put the style inside of the curlies. So that's what we did. Then we will have this there, like so, and this goes away. This as well, I think, or what was it? It is a string. Okay, so insert. Okay, so maybe, oh, and it will be gray. There we go. And it kind of works. So the diffs are now, okay, so now I know how to do the inline thing. You say styles and okay, but we don't want that. We want when the CLI generated the heroes, it created the heroes components style, yep, and pointed to it, yes, that we saw, and passed in the private CSS styles. You'll find in the final code review at the bottom of this guide. Okay, so we go to the CSS file and we will paste in the crap. Where is it? Where is it? CSS, heroes component CSS. A lot of stuff, I will not be writing that. Paste. Okay. That should change the look of our application, and it does. Look at that. That's awesome. Is there a specified diff? No, it's not. It's all right. Next. Oh yeah, so this we did. Here we are. Master detail. When the user clicks a hero in the master list, the component should display the selected hero's details at the bottom of the page. An update, okay. Good. So we have a click, and this will call this method. Okay, so it was into HTML, the heroes, and we want here, that was click, like so, and it was called on select, and the argument was hero, like so. Now, it is red, and maybe IntelliJ is intelligent enough and I can create it in here, and I can, indeed. And okay, why is it red? Expected call signature on select to have a type diff. Trailing white space, so it will be here void. Is that what we want? Expect one space. Cool. And here we will do something. Hey, Piggy! I just got $15 donation. Oh, stretch. Okay, we can do that. That's actually a good idea to do. So at the end of this round, what is this? And the end of the round is, here we go. Okay, so this is the end of the round.